Hey guys, it's me, Olive Natural, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can achieve these mini twists slash regular size twists depending on how thick your hair is. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hello again, everybody. So as you can see, my hair is already in twists. I like to detangle and moisturize my hair the day before I do the mini twists after freshly washing my hair, just because the twists are going to take such a long time, and detangling and twisting my hair all in one day, that's just way too much. So my hair is already moisturized and pretty much thoroughly detangled. That way it's easier for me to just go in and twist up my hair into smaller twists. So what I used to moisturize my hair this time around was literally only the Honey Leave-In by Camille Rose. That stuff, I mean, I can't believe how moisturized my hair is. Like when I first put it in, my hair felt like I was putting in shampoo, but miraculously, after a couple minutes, I guess my hair just needs time to soak everything in. My hair felt so soft and so moist, and honestly, the day after, my hair is still soft and so moist. This is not sponsored. This thing was just really, really great. So, the first thing I like to do is separate my hair into, well, just tie up the sections into some clips, and then I'm going to start off with this back piece. As you can see, I could use a little bit of a trim, so I'm going to unravel the hair. I mean, look how soft it is. Wow. So one of my techniques is to just feel out the hair for any single stranded knots. I hate single stranded knots so much. So I'm going to take my hair shears and just feel for any bumps in the road so I can just snip away. I'm going to continue doing that until I don't feel any more, or at least not as many. I recently got a trim back like a couple months ago, so I don't need like a trim. I just need to do a light little dusting. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to take a little piece of hair to do the actual mini twist. So once I feel out the width that I want, I'm going to take my Denman brush and brush out any residual tangles and see if I want to trim anything else. But so far it looks pretty good, so I'm just going to go in and begin the twisting. So I like to do rope twists. I just twist on both sides and then twist together and continue doing that until I reach the very end. Once I get to the end, I just do a little coil and voila, there goes the first twist. Shiny, moist, juicy, she all that in a bag of chips. Then I like to look at the very end of the twist to see if there's any lingering split ends or knots, and if there isn't, I move on to the next piece of hair. So for the past couple of months, my regimen has been mini twist, twist out, and then repeat. Also, I would not recommend washing your hair with these twists. I did that the first time I did mini twists, and it was so hard to detangle my hair when it was time to take them out. So I leave this in for about 2 weeks, and then I'll take them out, rock a twist out, and then wash my hair. Because honestly, my hair has not been retaining as much length as I would like, and I think it's because I'm always wearing my fro out. You know, I like my afro, but in order to retain length, you really gotta do protective styles. And I like that I can actually get moisture to my actual hair. I feel like I can't really do that if I have say Marley twist installed or faux locks. So I like this protective style because I can access my hair without necessarily being in it all the time. And then after 2 weeks, I can rock a really cute and stylish twist out. Alright guys, last two, we're almost done. Hold up, y'all see this twist out though? Shoot, maybe I'll unravel all the twists tomorrow. Psych! Spent way too much time doing this. Length check. Hey. We at the last section. We at the last section. Woo woo. So there you have it, folks. These are my juicy mini slash honestly chunky twists as I got towards the front. I did not want to make them any smaller. I was kind of tired. So it took me about 3 to 4 hours to do. I usually don't wear this protective style out like this. I usually put it in a bun just because, I don't know, I think like I look like a boy when it's out like this. So I just keep it in a bun. It's a great protective style to keep your hair moisturized, especially if you have type 4 hair. And it just helps me not be in my hair as much so that I can retain as much length as possible. So if you're looking for a protective style that will give you length retention and help keep your hair moisturized for longer, this is the style for you.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have yet to do so, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!